just to make you love me.
Yeah.
So I'm not a mush. I'm emotional.
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Hi, we're going to film, guys, for the Q&A. Come closer to me.
Right close, right here. Where?
You don't want to be close? Hi guys, Tommy and MaryAnn right here. We're going to film Q&A. So this is just a simple Q&A, guys. Tommy's still making sausage, guys. So we separate this video for the Q&A. And I posted something on Facebook. It's okay if it's going to left because it's cooking. It's cooking. We're just cooking together. Like, oh my god, I'm still worried about my chicken. Okay guys, I posted something on Facebook about Q&A. Tommy, I'm planning to do a Q&A, and if you guys have some question, and thank you guys so much, you did. Hey, cigarette, stop! So first question, it says from Leah Macarol Timoni. Can you read it? Can you read it? Kailan?
Kailan? Yeah, Kailan. I don't know.
Oh, Han, read it, Han. You can read letters.
Yeah, the letters. Kailan ka
uuwi sa Pinas.
Sa Pinas.
Sa Pinas. The answer of this question is, May, I am planning to go back to the Philippines 2020. A few years ago, I usually go back to the Philippines every 2 years, and hopefully Tommy can go with me. So that's it. We're not sure yet, but that's my plan. The next question, do you have any answer with that?
I don't have an answer because I don't know. It depends on the situation.
Okay. Next question is per Mori Quietas what? Bakit wala pa kayong baby? Why we don't have baby?
That's a tough one. Go ahead, you answer. I gotta get something to drink while you answer.
Okay. This is, guys, we both want people to think that we don't want baby. Tommy is crazy about baby. I am crazy about baby. We wish we have one, even just one. In the right time, right? So that's it. Yeah, we wait until it happen. And the next question is Trixie G. Matthews. How long na kamo married? How long we've been married? Answer that.
Almost 7 years. Huh? Almost 7 years. Next month, 7 years.
Is it?
Jesus Christ.
Not it?
What?
Oh, so almost 7 years. Okay, I've been 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah, I'm almost here. I'm living here for 9 years. Yeah, we get married 2 years later. Also, next question. Okay, mine siya Samurano. Saan ka natutong mag-drive? Okay, where did I learn driving? And first thing, Tommy taught me how to drive in the parking lot. I'm sorry guys about the smoke is everywhere because this is my life and I accept it already for 9 years, okay? You guys will be shocked and be like telling me be careful of it.
She doesn't accept that she bitches about it.
Of course, Han, because you know what, Han, I'm human and then it's really annoying. Okay.
When I met her, she's like, oh, I really love the smell of smoke. Oh, I really love it. I love smoke.
That's the, just to make you love me.
Yeah.
How many years is that? 2011, right?
Yeah, then you decided you didn't want to drive anymore because you saw an accident.
Yeah,
And then we had to start all over again later.
But I know how to drive, right? I start learning driving. Okay, that's...
Besides, what makes you think she knows how to drive? Yeah, that's where she learned. She knows how to crash. No.
Are you? Okay, answer this question from Maribel Lumbao Leong. Yeah, that's my first, the question that I answered first. From Marilan Sanchez, tips na lang about new vlogger. You don't have to be fake in the camera, guys. Whoever you are, that's who's going to be like to capture in the camera. Just like when I hold the camera, when Tommy do something, I have to capture it quick because that's the reality in life. Like, there's this stupidity here. Like that. So that's all I can say. Just, be who you are. Then this question, and your advice, what you think I must do once my fiancé able to take me to college. The religion is mine. Oh my god, I wish this won't happen because I'm not. If your boyfriend will send you to here in the US, will bring you here to the US with him, and then if he end up sending you back like what my past relationship.
First thing you gotta do is talk it out and find out why he changed his mind. What was the deciding factor? Why was he so gung-ho to bring you back with him, and then all of a sudden he changed his mind about that? Did he meet somebody else? Did you do something that he decided he couldn't live with? You got to find out what it was. Or you could spend years more before it ends completely. So sit down, talk it out, find out what happened, and then decide whether or not it can be fixed or it can't be fixed before you decide to waste 5 more years.
Yeah, in my situation, I know since you're afraid about what I tell you my story. My situation that happened because he changed his mind. I kind of pissed because he has a 3 woman with him chatting. So that's what they're starting. That's the reason why. But you know, in your case, you don't know yet because if he decide to bring you here, so if that's going to happen, God forbid, then you have to talk about it if you don't know the reason why. But I know the reason why that will happen to me. So.
But she doesn't. Could be something very simple. Could be, you know, could be very innocent, or it could be something that's gonna ultimately destroy your relationship. So you need to find out before you decide to invest your life in this.
So, okay, the next question is Michelle Dalit. Okay, kailan na balik sa Pilipinas? I don't know yet. 2020 hopefully. And schedule about party and viewers for meet and greet. Guys, you know, that's what I've been thinking. Whoever I'm going to meet when I'm going back to the Philippines, it's good. Why my boyfriend, he doesn't want to call me via video call? Instead, you know, he do messaging. He's going in a message but not on call. I wonder, is normal for the white man? Is that normal for the white man?
I don't know. I've been called a white man, but okay. Is it normal? Normal is different to different people. Some people are not comfortable on the camera. I particularly am not comfortable on the camera, even though she keeps putting the camera in my face.
What? No, what the reason?
But it's a one-to-one call. You would think that it wouldn't be a problem with the video call. Maybe he's got problems with his data plan.
Or maybe it's scamming.
It's possible.
Or maybe he's married.
It's also possible that there's things about him you don't know, and he'd prefer you don't know.
Or maybe he's embarrassed, you know, for his
can't. That's not an easy answer. There's no particular reason why somebody in this country won't do a video call. You know, how old is the guy? Maybe the technology. Maybe he doesn't have FaceTime or whatever it is that you use video calling on his phone or his computer, or maybe he doesn't know how to use it, or maybe he's just, you know, or again, highly likely there are things about him that he prefer you don't know. Is it possible he's married? It is. You know, you're a big distance between you, so basically you can have completely different lives. He can be. Have you ever seen him? Maybe he describes himself different than he actually is and doesn't want you to see. I don't know.
Yeah, we don't really know. Well, if I were you, sis, you just ask him why he doesn't want, you know, to come with you, and that's all.
Do you exchange pictures in your text messages? Do you send pictures of each other back and forth?
Yeah, pictures.
You know, try and find out exactly what it is. Is it the video call itself, or is it something more than that?
Okay, next question is Sis Basilio. Okay, this question is, Sis, bakit di mo siya ma-stop mag-smoke? This is what it says. Why I can't stop you smoking? Okay, guys, this at first I'm gonna say this.
She makes me smoke.
Oh, what?
People smoke from stress.
Oh my God! I have stress too. Did you see this? If you're married to this guy, look, did you see that? He can't stop. He just finished the other one, and is that stressful? The thing is, when I first met him, he smoked already, guys. So what can I do? What, I'm gonna leave him because he is a smoker? I know him already smoke. Long time ago, when we get together, 2 years later, 1 year later, he stopped for 1 month, guys. I'm surprised he did stop for 1 month. After that 1 month, we decided, I'm so happy, everybody's happy because, guys, I'm not the only one, and you guys are not the only one worried about him. Everybody's worried about this smoking. And when we went back to Florida driving, and he doesn't like it when he just drive and sit down and do nothing with his hand, so he ended up smoking back because of that driving, long drive. So there's another question for you.
Good.
Hi Tommy, how long have you been smoking? Okay.
45 years.
How old are you when you're
12?
Oh, look. Okay, so next question is from Nori Evans. Hello and Tommy, good morning, evening to both of you. My question, does Tommy eat most Filipino food?
Everything except those dried fish. Too salty, way too salty.
And every time he saw that, guys, he make fun of me like it's ridiculously not funny anymore. It's insulting.
It's insulting. I come home, she says, "Oh, the neighbors will get mad because I cook stinky fish on the porch." So what? They get mad.
No, he doesn't get mad. He laugh and then no, he doesn't laugh. When I was cooking outside, and this guy, guys, is so loud, guys. What is that stink? That's what he does. And then I just like cook it quick and then run inside the house and laughing. And then I told my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law just keep laughing too because it's really stink when it burnt. Stinks a little bit now. Okay, next question is from Annalyn Gabor Common. Hi MaryAnn, how old are you and your habibi? And also, do you have a house here in the Philippines? How old are you, Han?
57.
56. 56. Why you're like 57? 56, I'm 33.
57. Oh no! Keep going. 57. You don't even know my age, so keep going.
Han! Han, we are not in September yet. Your last birthday is last September, 56. Really?
Hey.
God, sorry,
Keep
big
going.
boy. I really thought you're 56. Oi! So I am 33 this coming April. Almost. Right, Han? And then, do we have house in the Philippines? Both of us, no, we don't have a house in the Philippines. So next question is from CG Mar. Kailan kayo uwi sa Pinas? Pa-shout out din sis CG Mar at Gmar Gordilio.
Hi, Jessie Mar.
Okay, so that's really it because the same thing, I already answered that question. Next question from Amelia Bucani. Ano po work ni Kuya Tommy? What is Kuya Tommy's work? Kuya Tommy, that means an older, brother, older thing.
Audio video technician, AB.
Yeah. And next question is from Silib Saso. Ba't ang tagal niyo wala pa kayong baby hanggang ngayon pero sobrang ganda at pogi ng mga anak niyo? It says, and why until now you don't have a baby? It's gonna be good looking kids you're gonna have. Okay, we did that already. So, yeah. So, still hoping and praying that it will come true. Okay. All viewers, we all do want a baby. That's it. Okay? Sis, kailan ba kayo dito sa Pinas? I answered that already. Sana makita tayo. Hopefully, we can meet all in the Philippines when I'm going back there. Mas marami kang nagasubaybay sa Pinas. Yes, I have a lot more viewers in the Philippines than here in the US. Yeah, that's from Mili Lastimoso. Question from Black Flag 420. His question is, I don't know if he or she, I think it's he. I have a question for you. Have you ever thought about doing reaction on this channel or food reviews and other items? You and Tommy could do it together anyway. Thanks for reading my comment.
Reaction and food reviews?
Yeah, we can do reaction, like, video reaction. And food reviews, probably not.
What makes your opinion better than somebody else's?
Yeah.
So that's fine. People trust your opinion. It's one thing.
Yeah, but probably we're gonna do a, what is that, reaction? Hi guys, this video, I'm going to insert this. Tommy and I made a Q&A yesterday actually. I forgot some of the questions. I screenshot it to my laptop. So there's some few questions that I wanna answer, guys, and I wanna just add this clip to that video, me and Tommy. And I'm sorry that I forgot to look that screenshot of some of the question, guys. Okay, next question is from Simple Joyce. She said, "Hi, kailan kayo titira permanently doon sa maganda nyong house?" Thank you. And she said, when are we gonna be permanently living in our house? Thank you. And sis, we get this house last year. It's gonna be almost a year now. We're still not here. And for me, I want to be here last year, but doesn't happen. Process is very slow. Tommy is working. If you see the old house, the other house, there's a ton of stuff over there, boxes, furnitures, and stuff like that. Every room have their own cluttered and stuff like that. They have their own, gamit. I did try to pack before, and I stopped doing it kasi merong rason. So, alam nyo naman, ay hindi ko yun mga gamit. Kung pwede lang, hindi ko na sila dalhin dito. Pero, we're hoping guys, that hopefully very soon. But, I just keep saying this. But, I'm not the only one have this thing. It's also Tommy. What can I say? If you wanna keep watching my vlog, well, you'll probably see what's gonna happen next. A process of moving in this house. For me, I really want to stay here with my cats and the dogs and Tommy and stuff like that. And but you know, probably in the spring. Oh, thank you for the question. I give you a long answer. Next question is for Maria Barcu. She said, "Hi, and hi. Ginagaya ka ni hubby on over the phone. Oy, oy, oy." Yes, he always, because I keep saying oy, oy, and now he's like, it's making a habit to him. Now it's oy, oy. She said, "My question to both of you," sorry, Tommy is not here, "are, sino ang mas mababa ang pasensya kapag trabaho kayo? Kapag pareho kayong not in a good mood?" I'm gonna answer this question because it's really easy, guys. It's Tommy. Okay, Tommy is the really have a long pasensya. Mataas ang pasensya niya, guys. Kapag pareha kaming bad mood, siya. Ako kasi madali lang. At the next question is, sinong mas malambing sa inyong dalawa ni hubby? Thanks, Ann. Mang malambing? Mas malambing ako talaga, uy. Pareho kami, lambing. Ano bang klaseng lambing? Kasi ako brutal lambing itong akin, brutal na pagmamahal. Tommy is loving, guys. He is kind of mushy to me. We do that in our own space, like just the two of us. We don't, like, if they have their own family over there, we don't show that, like, no. We're just, with Tommy and I, just two of us together. That's how we show the mushy anuni kind of thing. Sister Maria Barcu. Yeah. Barcu, I don't know. I'm sorry if I pronounce your family name wrong, sis, but yeah, that's the answer, sis. Hi, sis. Margie Pilares' question is, ano po ang favorite niyo po nasa color movie artist? Okay, my favorite color is mostly gray. You notice me, I always wear gray. I like any color, but my favorite color is gray and purple. If it's Filipino artist, Piolo. And artist, is that a singer? Is an artist? Well, we're gonna do Bambo. Okay, Piolo and Bambo. Bambo is a singer. International artist, sino ba? I want to be in Angelina Jolie, guys. I wanna be her. I mean, I don't wanna be her, but I want to act like her, like, you know, flying like that. I do a lot of actions. I want that. And movies, oh guys, my favorite movie is, oh my god, I don't know if you guys heard it, Prince and Me. The next question is, at sino po matampuhin sa inyong dalawa, at sino yung mas sweet? Okay, matampuhin ako. Matampuhin, ano yun sa English yung matampuhin? At saka, sino yung mas sweet? Kaming dalawa. Matampuhin ako, at the same time, it's like it's okay suddenly, like that. And then tampu again, and then sweet again yun. Si Tommy, you know, palagi yung sweet. Palagi yung si Tommy sweet. Yeah, so that's all I remember. That's all what I have right here. And yeah, so that's what I have right here. Continue sa video with Tommy. Continue with him. And yeah, so bye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have fun seeing Tommy again in the Q&A. I love him being with my videos. Good looking Tommy.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this. Elvis Presley mixed with Fernando Poo. Look, he's already shy. I love you.
Love you too. Being like a boy, shut up. Camera like you. So the camera's off, you'll be like, yell at me.
So I'm not a mush? I am motion.
To Mushat?
So now I'm not a mush. Be honest to me. Which one is more? It's
so
mushy
I
or...
when I was cooking.
Are you kidding me? I never yell at you when you're cooking. Okay, guys. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye. See you next time. Bye-bye. Go now. Go. I'm not motion to you.